How to fix Goldman Sachs Bank card declined. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix your Goldman Sachs Bank card if it says declined. So whenever you try to make a purchase, let's say your card declined, it'll most probably show you the reason as to why it has been declined. So in this video, we'll go through some of the most common reasons and how you can fix them. So the most common reason as to why your card may be declined is due to insufficient funds. Now let's say you have $100 on your account and you're trying to make a purchase or a transaction of $150. In that case, your card will straight up say card declined due to insufficient funds, as you do not have the sufficient funds to cover the transaction. So the second reason is your daily limit. Now let's say you just have a daily limit of $2,500 and you've already used up all of your limit. Now even if you try to make a purchase of, let's say, $10, it will still say declined as you have already exceeded the daily purchase limit. Now there are two fixes on how you can solve this problem. The first one is basically increasing your daily card limit so that you will be able to make furthermore purchases, and not just today but other days as well. Or the second option is basically you can wait for the next day until your card daily purchase limit resets to 0, and then you will be able to use it. Now the third thing may be your card status. If your card is locked or your card is inactive, then you will not be able to use your card and it will straight up say declined. So make sure your card status is active and it is not locked. Now finally, also check if you have any security holes or anything like that on your account, and if you do not have any, your problem should be solved by now. But if your problem is still there, you can basically call them on this number and they will be able to help you from there. So that is basically how you fix your Goldman Sachs Bank card declined. That was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.